Have you ever wondered how your body fights off colds, infections, and disease? It's all thanks to your incredible immune system. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect you. Its primary role is surveillance, constantly looking for and destroying invading pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. The system operates through two main branches, the fast-acting innate immunity and the specialized adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is your body's first and fastest line of defense, ready to fight immediately against any threat. This includes physical and chemical barriers like your skin, mucous membranes, and even stomach acid, preventing entry in the first place. If a pathogen gets past the barriers, specialized cells called phagocytes, like macrophages and neutrophils, engulf and destroy the invaders. When tissues are damaged, the inflammatory response kicks in, causing swelling, heat, and redness to bring immune cells to the site of infection. Adaptive immunity takes longer to activate, but is highly specific and creates a memory of the infection for faster future responses. This defense involves recognizing specific markers called antigens and utilizing specialized cells called lymphocytes, T cells, and B cells. B cells are the stars of humoral immunity, producing millions of Y-shaped antibodies that neutralize pathogens or mark them for destruction. Cell-mediated immunity involves T cells. Helper T cells coordinate the immune response, while killer T cells directly destroy infected or abnormal cells. The immune system is a master of communication, with all its components working in harmony. Innate and adaptive responses constantly communicate, using chemical signals to amplify and fine-tune the defense against any threat. After an infection, the adaptive system creates memory cells. This is the principle behind vaccination, allowing for a rapid, effective response to future encounters. Your immune system is a marvel of biological engineering, tirelessly working to keep you healthy. Its complexity and vitality are undeniable, forming the foundation of your body's survival against a world full of microscopic dangers. Remember to support your immune health through proper nutrition, sleep, and exercise. Thank you for watching.